Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Pinterest notifications and emails. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the Pinterest application and open that up. Once you've opened up the Pinterest application, you can go ahead and go to the bottom right where it says saved, the little person icon. Click on that, and then you want to go to the top right where it shows the little hexagon settings icon. Once you're on here, you can go ahead and click on notifications. And then here you could choose either by on Pinterest notifications, by email, or by push notification. So it's up to you where you want to adjust. So we'll go on Pinterest first. And then if you want to disable the Pinterest notifications when you're on Pinterest, you could just untab that. Just make sure it's gray, and then you've got rid of those notifications. Once you exit back out of here, you can go to by email. And this is where you can adjust the emails that you get from Pinterest. So if you want to get rid of the emails that you get from Pinterest, all of them all together, you can click on the top where it says turn off all. But if you want to go through here and specifically turn off certain emails that you get from Pinterest, you can go ahead and go through here and take off the ones that you want for yourself. Otherwise, you can just turn off all at the top, and then click on turn off all. And as you can see, it disables all those settings there. And then obviously if you want push notifications, you would have to go and adjust it in your settings. So here you can just click on open settings, and you can adjust it in your iPhone settings to change the notifications through iOS. But anyhow, this is how you adjust the notifications on Pinterest. I hope I was able to help you guys out with the tutorial. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.